Good evening and welcome to another XC90 video of my 2003 Volvo XC90. And in this video I'm going to be fixing some dashboard lights. Yeah, I know it's dark in here, but I can't really show this in daylight. One of the things that was wrong with this vehicle was the stereo console. It's not lighting up. You can see, you know, it's not. I did actually replace a couple of bulbs previously. I did it off camera, but I'm needing some more, so I'll just put the lights on. Just turn them. I've ordered a couple more. Hopefully it should fix this side. So I'll get it set up and we'll get all this out. So to get all this out I need to get some of this stuff out of the way. So just move them. Let's make sure I get a clear path. I might need to turn ignition on to move, well I need to turn ignition on to move transmission lever to because all this has got to come out. It'll all become apparent. So what I'll do is I'll probably start getting this, do some time lapse. So I'll get all the junk out. There we go, that's everything out of the way. So first thing I need to do, get this cup holder out. Maybe I didn't need to do that, but never mind. I need to move this surround, get this surround out of the way. Some tabs push back. To release it. There we go, the surround for the selector. Just tilt it forward and out that comes, and that gives me access to the Torx screws that I need to undo. I'll need to separate the stereo from the climate control panel. That's the word I was looking for. So I'll just get the appropriate Torx bit. I believe it's a T25 or a T27, I can't remember now. I just tried. Yeah, no, T27's too big, so it's a T25 Torx. Usually T20 the Torx bits for the interiors fixings, but there you go. It is what it is. So I'll probably need to move this transmission lever back, put it into drive. So just turn that off. Just pull out these screws. And I didn't need to remove the cup holder, so I'll put that back in. I didn't need. That'll be a handy place to keep the screws. It's a bit difficult getting that back in. There we go, that's in, so keep the screws in there and they won't get lost. So like I said, they're T25, and that basically liberates the whole unit. And now you see why you just slide it out, pull it back, and there we go. That's the entire unit liberated. Oh, just about. So what I need to do next is unplug everything. But it's not a good idea to do it with the ignition switch on, so I just seem to have ejected one of the CDs. So the next thing I need to do is disconnect everything. Right, so transmission's in park, so I can turn ignition off. So there's several connectors on the back of here. I don't know if I can show you it. There's several connectors on the back. I'll just unplug them for now. Just make it a bit easier. And so let's see if I can separate the climate control unit from. I think it's just it's them two screws at the bottom. So if I can do them two screws, that separates the climate control unit from the stereo. And maybe I should have unplugged everything before I started. So I'll get everything unplugged. Yep. I don't know how to see this. So I can't remember how I did it before. There it is, there's a tab. Press the tab down and pull the plug out there. That's the out. And just this fibre optic, because the XC90 has a fibre optic connections for the stereo. There's fibre optic cables. And I'm not sure how this comes out. There's a tab there. Anyway, I won't worry about that, that's not too important right now. So what I need to do is to finish disconnecting this climate control unit. It's all disconnected so I can take the entire unit out. So if I've got this right, it should, he says hopefully, should come out. I think some other ones, some more screws at back of here. See, there's 4 more screws, 2 there and 2 there, and that should separate the climate control unit from the radio CD player. I'm just looking, all these screws are exactly the same. They're all T25s and they're all exactly the same. So let's see, there's something I've forgotten. I've got all my screws out. Oh, there's something. Oh, yeah. There's a couple of tabs that need pushing back. Yep. And then we go, that separates the climate control unit and a CD player. So I'll just put that down in the footwell for now, and there it can stay. So I've got our two parts, disconnect, separated. No, and I put the climate control unit behind the panel. Now you can see there's a different bulbs. So if I reconnect some of these connectors, I'm going to have to move this, because that's the actual disc player there. This is just a control, like a panel, but I need to plug everything back in, and then I can see exactly which bulbs I need to replace. I did replace, as I said earlier on, I did replace some of them. So let's have a look. Yep, so let's have a look. It might be obvious from here which ones are working. So yeah, there's one at the bottom there that's not working, and there's another one there. So it's a good job I ordered two. Oh, careful, and I fell into that footwell. So I know which ones I need to replace. The bottom one there and that one there. So what I'll do, should be quite simple to change. So it's like a flat bladed screw. So check again, the bottom one at that side and the third one at that side. So you're right, thin flat blade. And before I go any further, better turn up my I've got my replacement bulbs, genuine Volvo parts, cost me £7.5 each, which is expensive for a bulb so small. It should be sort of slight turn, and then it should drop out. And I think it's about quarter of a turn. There we go, that's one out. And just put that down, and said it was the middle one. So quarter of a turn. Oh, and it's come, and there we go, that's that one out. So get me new ones, like I said, genuine Volvo parts, bloody expensive. But eBay seller sells them for about £7.5. A lot of money. There you go, £15 worth of bulbs. It's ridiculous, but never mind. Oops, and I've only gone and dropped it. So I'm going to stop the camera here while I retrieve that bulb. Well, that wasn't too bad. I managed to retrieve it without any trouble. So just get these bulbs in. Catch, it catches in. About a quarter of a turn to lock it in position. Same with this one. Oops, it's gone in wrong way out. Which is not good. Right, that's in. There, catch. Feel it catch. About quarter of a turn or so. So I'll just turn the ignition on. No, that's not in right. So there we go. It didn't. That should be in. So just check if it's lighting. Yep. Got a full house. Just turn it round. Oh. And there you see. I just turn these lights off and you can see it better. You see we have a full house there. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put everything back together. I'll do all that off camera, button it all up, and then we'll see the end result. So it's all buttoned up, and I'll just show you the end result. And there we go, we're all illuminated, 100% working. Just turn these map lights off, you can see it a bit better. There you go, I think that's a whole lot better than half of it in darkness. And the thing with the Volvo XC90 is the audio system is deeply integrated with the car's electrical system. So if you're disconnecting stuff, you trigger the airbag warning light, which I've since I've cleared the faults with my scan tool. There's my top-down scan tool, very handy piece of kit. So I'd call that 100% confirmed success. Definitely a confirmed fix. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.